Keep back, meaning 1. To not tell someone something, or to not show how you feel. He said he was fine, but I knew he was keeping something back. He said he was fine, but I knew he was keeping something back. Meaning 2. To keep part of an amount of money that belongs to someone or is owned to them. He kept back 50 pounds for himself. He kept back 50 pounds for himself. Meaning 3. To not move towards someone or something, or to stop someone from doing this. Police were warning people to keep back. Police were warning people to keep back. Meaning 4. To prevent someone from making progress. It's only her lack of confidence that's keeping her back. It's only her lack of confidence that's keeping her back. Meaning 5. To keep part of something so that you can use it later. Keep back some strawberries for decoration. Keep back some strawberries for decoration. Meaning 6. If you keep back laughter or tears, you stop yourself laughing or crying. She struggled to keep back her tears. She struggled to keep back her tears.